natin mamigay. Iba natin, pwede tayo dumaan sa RotyPeaks. Tapos meron tayo dadaanan na falls, Pinalagtik Falls. Tapos kami, yung mga nasa motor, namin sa gilid. So habang nagtitrail tayo, kung may masiraan man or kailangan ng tulong, taas lang ng kamay. All participants must wear safety gear including helmet, gloves, or goggles optional.
Work it, make it, do it, makes us harder, better, faster, stronger. More than power, never, ever, after work is over. Harder, better, faster, stronger. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever, hour after hour, work is never over. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever, hour after hour, work is never over.
Aron gipanguluhan ni Sir Joan Malig. So dako ang among pagpasalamat kalipay aning ayuda nga gihatag sa amo karon kay sayta nga karong panahon na nagkinahanglan gyud ayuda kay labi na kay sa kainit sa panahon. Dakong among pagpasalamat tanan team. So mura to di nga pagkasura daghang salamat ug mayo.
We can do this all night. Damn, this love is getting tight. Baby, come on. Booming like a bass drum, sparking up a rhythm. Baby, come on.
Okay, congratulations to UCM and Mads ATV and to the other teams like the Jaka Racing team for this successful event. We'd like to thank you for this fun-filled experience. We as a host, it's our first time to host this event, and I think it's a successful one. And to the groups of Valencia, Impasugong, and Cagayan de Oro, daghang salamat sa pagtambong aning event kaning Unity Ride. So, thank you and God bless.
As a participant in this Unity Ride 2.0, we experienced adrenaline and also we were covered with dust, and also we were very excited because of the terrain that was very challenging, and I hope in the future that there are going to be more challenges to overcome in this next ride, wherever we're going to be soon. So yeah, thanks.
This is a Unity Ride 2. We started last year and sponsored by UCM group of companies, and we are the distributor of UCM here in Cagayan de Oro. So we want you to join us next year. This will be tuloy-tuloy na to, every year na to. So I hope you find your ways to get some ATVs or any kind of any ATVs all-terrain. Come join us.